We came, we saw, and we conquered. Okay, no. I'm just kidding. We came, we saw, and we lived. And to all the investors who took a risk, that is approximately 2 years ago, they invested in this development just about 100 steps to the Junction Mall. This is what they are enjoying right now. Consisting of 1 bedroom and 2 bedrooms, we have this amazing project here that I'm about to take you through. And to the investors that believed in it, they took units here and now they are about to enjoy. If it's for investment, they're about to enjoy their rental returns. If it is for living, then some people have their new homes right here. But it is not too late. If you missed a chance on investing here, then this is your next opportunity. So please join me as I show you what we have in store for you. 2 bedrooms and 1 bedrooms are also available. Let me know what you think. This is for all my investors who always ask me for ready units. This is ready to move in, ready for occupation. We have very limited number of the 1 bedrooms available, but for the 2 bedrooms we have quite a few available. So right when you enter, we have an intercom system here. Let me just show you. So you do like that, then you can be able to communicate with the guards, security, just to see whoever wants to access your unit. Right on this side we have a washroom which comes with a nice fitted hand basin over here. Then we have a rain shower there and your toilet. So just moving on to the other side, we have a bedroom here, and on this side is where you can maybe use as storage space, but most of my clients have actually been using it as a home office. So it has sockets here available. Let me just show you. There's a socket here. There is also a switch right here, just to ensure that you have maximum lighting on this corner of the room. Then you get inside the second bedroom, which is quite well lit. As you can see, we have a window right here, can fit your bed. Then we have very fantastic wardrobes that you can use to store your stuff, your clothes. And one thing you can differentiate with the flooring, that we do have laminate on this side, just to ensure that the bedrooms are a bit cozy and warm. And the other side we have this nice gray tiles that give the house quite a nice modern look and a nice finish. Then right into the house, when you get inside, we have been provided with a space where you can just set up your dining area, can fit up to a 6-seater as we have in this show house. Then on this other side is where you can enjoy your cooking, washing of dishes. We have been provided with a double sink. We have soft drawers right here. Then you can place your fridge right here. This is big space, even to provide space for the side-by-side refrigerators. We have more drawers on this side and more cabinet spaces for you on the top space. Then on this other end is where you have your laundry balcony, so can fit a washing machine and a dryer. You can even do the ones that we call the tire, how you can set it up to be like the dryer is on top and the washer is down. Then we have your water boiler right there. I mean, just see the lighting. I'm being hit by this. It's around heading to 5 o'clock in the evening. So right now we have the sunset getting inside the room, giving the room, the whole house, quite good warmth and good lighting as well. This is your lounge, or rather what we call the living area. The boy does not come with the house. Then getting to this other side is where we have the balcony. So just as you can see, even from this side, getting maximum light and maximum sunrise, depending with the time of the day that it is. From this end, I can be able to see Lavington, and I can see the Junction Mall on this other end from there. Yeah. So you can imagine if you're able to get something on the high floor, then you get better light and better views. Right now I'm just on the first floor. As I said, the boy does not come with the house. So that is it about the lounge. I don't know what you think. I feel like the space is quite good. I love the lighting. I love the floor to ceiling, the length between the height between the ceiling and the floor. Quite good, just to make sure that the house has good aeration and just good lighting. Then we get to the master bedroom. Right on this side, the master bedroom comes en suite. We are talking about having a hand washing basin right here, a socket for people who like drying their hair in the bathroom, or rather shaving and all that. Then we notice that even in the toilet, you have been provided with a bidet, what we call a bidet here. I don't know what you call it from where you are. An Arabic shower, some people call it that, but I call it a bidet. Let me know what you call it in your place, in your region. Then we have a shower cubicle there with a rain shower and a telephone shower to complement your nice bathroom. We have a medicine cabinet here, which is just so nice. Let me just open that again for you to see. You can place your stuff there, your makeup and all that. Then on this other side, notice the flooring is still wood laminate. Then we get here, have your bed right here. I love the size of this window, end to end, just to ensure that again you have maximum light. Remember what I mentioned, I am just on the first floor. You can see the sun that is coming straight through your bedroom. Just to make sure that, and we are in what I can say, we are in quite a cold season here in Kenya. So having this is so important, because you can just to make sure that even in the evenings you'll have adequate warmth and you're not going to be cold when it comes to night time. Then on this side is where we have the wardrobes. So well done. I really like the way they've done the wardrobes. The finish is so nice and the workmanship has been done to perfection. The space of this bedroom is good. You can fit a 5x6, a 6x6, what we call a queen size here, can fit perfectly and still leaves room for you to have side tables, a mirror right there. You can, even if you're a person who enjoys having a lounge in the bedroom, you can have that here. You have sockets here provided in almost every corner of the house to make sure that you never lack a socket any part of the room. So let's go back to the living room. Then I can be able to take you through the gorgeous and amazing amenities that we have right here. I'm talking about a kids play area. I'm talking about a good sized swimming pool, a good sized gym. I mean, that gym is literally commercial. And what I really like about this development is how particular they were in every amenity, in every functionality. When you get inside, we're talking about the security system, the security check, when just to let you in, even at the parking, giving you, allocating the parking spaces. I'm talking about the lighting, even in the public spaces. The pool is so well done and it's very spacious to allow everyone maximum use of it. As I mentioned before, we are just about 100 steps to the Junction Mall. If you have ever admired to live next to the most popular mall in Nairobi, then this is your chance right here. So this 2-bedroom, we have several units available, but not so many. Remember, most investors in Kenya, or rather in Nairobi, prefer buying off plan. Why would you like to buy off plan? One, you get better prices, and two, it gives you a better chance to pay in installments with zero interest. That is very important, and I realized that that is an advantage that we have over so many other cities in Africa, or rather even in the world, that you're given a chance to pay even up to 36 months with zero interest. So that is why most investors prefer buying off plan here in Nairobi. So the number of units that we have here are not so many. If you are interested, this is my number right here, so that we can be able to grab you a unit that you can move in immediately. So the prices, we are talking about the 1-bedrooms going from 7.8 million Kenya shillings, and the 2-bedroom from 12.5 million Kenya shillings. Again, if you are interested, please remember to talk to me so that I can be able to reserve a unit for you here before they are all sold out. What do you want to talk about, Zay? Come tell me. Come to the camera. What?
I want you to see how nice this house looks like.
Can you tell them how nice this house looks like? Tell them. Okay, come on. Okay, he's too shy. Right from him, he has enjoyed the kids' play area where he was. Right now, we are headed to the pool. I mean, he has to take a dive before we leave. So, see you on the next one. This is Nairobi. Bye. Before I forget, I want to mention something. This developer is well known for the perfection he has when it comes to implementing and handing over of his projects. So, want to take advantage of something that is coming up? We have a new project that is right around the corner of where we are. Also, a walking distance to Junction Mall. We have 1-bedrooms and 2-bedrooms from 5 million Kenya shillings. Take advantage of this right now and hit up. Just dial that number and give me a call, and I will take you through what I'm talking about. Remember, we come, we see, and we invest. See you on the next one.